I'll be showing you how to check the IMEI number of your Samsung Galaxy S24. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to about phone, tap on that, and then go to status information, tap on that, and then go to IMEI information, tap on that, and then you should see your IMEI number. Now the IMEI number is attached to a SIM card slot or a SIM card provision. So this one is a dual SIM phone, so I have two IMEI numbers. So I have this one and this one. Now another way of checking is going to the dialer, go to the phone app, go to keypad, and then press *#06#. That's going to show you the two IMEI numbers once again. Now the other way you can check is on the box. You can see right at the base of the box right here. Obviously I'm not going to focus into that to show you, but you can see there's a sticker there with both IMEI numbers. Thanks for watching. Now before I sign off, I have two IMEI numbers because I have a dual SIM phone. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.